Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Sarkar Jilla lengba ka tanat ka kot ka khia kala batha ya ki bor punya jong ka Airports Authority of India ka kat lengsun umroi bakin da examen thik pathik ya ki nonglek jinglek da ki lengsun ki bawan rung shapo ka Jilla namar ka jing shep ding ya ki jing sapriang jong khnyang jingpang coronavirus ubala sedang ban wan rung shapo upur sam jong dari India. Menteri ka kot ka khia ka Sarkar Jilla uba Alexander Elhek haga jinya kren bat ki lat pathai kubor haga henriu tarik ulber arjar arpo ulai thu ba ka Sarkar kala shim khia bha ban pek perman ya ki lat ki lenti halor ka jing sapriang jong uni khnyang jingpang da ka ba batharu ya ki hospital ki badon haga nong ba Shillong bakin bu ya ki isolation ward na ka banta ban ai jing sumar ya kino ki breu ki badang wan phai nabar ka Jilla khnang ban yada ya ki wei pat na ka jing sapriang jong uni khnyang jingpang.
All the Shillong Airport, they are doing with the Airport Authority of India to screen all the passengers, particularly coming from overseas. So this has been taken the precautionary measure, and also for the personal protection equipments has been ready from the state government, and also the masks which is prepared for any eventuality. Anybody has only I'm not saying there are only the symptom also. We have ready for the clinical, we are ready for any kind of clinical treatment for this kind of symptom. See, now screening, we have already told you in airport, we are already been told to get precautionary. That's all only at present. So now we have not contemplating to have at present, but if it is, definitely will have. To protect for the virus, the coronavirus protection in our states.
What about medicines? Is the government ready?
See, the medicine till now they have not been found what kind of medicine to give. They give only to some symptoms. There's no medicine so far. Even in China, they have not produced that medicine. Even in any other countries, they have not produced, which is badly affected by coronavirus. So that is there in Nazareth, one is in the Negrims isolation wards.
What about civil hospital?
Not yet done. If it is really required, then definitely we will be done. And it is required also. It has to be done. Now with us, in the district has not been done. The district has not been done, but we will think that has to be done also. If it is as much as possible from the health department. Only we have taken the PPE, we have taken the masks, we have taken all the precautionary measures. Not late, we have started from the day when it does have this breakout of the coronavirus. Local have been checked in Delhi when I was there in Delhi. Only in the airport, people who are coming from the different countries.
Only foreign tourists.
Yeah, foreign tourists. Health department, I have received 2 letters just now. I have to give it to the Commissioner Secretary to ensure that this, which is already given by 2 organizations, I forgot because it has been given quite sometime in the morning. I have sent it to the Commissioner Secretary to examine the matter and see to ensure that there should not be anything its effect to the people of our states through the Meghalaya Eats.